Welcome back. My tip today is to make every coaching session count. And how do I do that? I often look at the interaction as the most interesting conversation the person has ever had about themselves. And I try to keep myself accountable to that within the session. So it's very important that the conversation and the interaction is different from that of a trusted, intimate conversation with one of their friends or their partners. We can come from an objective, professional position in which we are allowed to be a bit more challenging than others, allowed to sort of highlight new perspectives to that individual. And often I'm sitting there in a coaching session having a good conversation, but then when I ask myself, is this the most interesting conversation the individual has had about themselves? It goes to a new level. I ask different questions. I listen more acutely. So now it's your turn to make every coaching session count. And my advice to you is to use that phrase, is this the most interesting conversation that this individual is having about themselves?